Hello, my name is Kim, and now I want to show you how to modify a booking. In the menu, you go to Manage Bookings. Here you can see a list of my shipments, the bookings that you have created. And over here, you can go to My Company Shipments and see the shipments that your colleagues have booked. I will modify this booking. I will click on View Shipment. And here you have a button to modify your booking. Click on Modify. You accept the pop-up, and here you can see a full booking, and here you can modify your booking details. I will change the weight. Go down. And if you want to select an alternative flight or offer, then click on Find Offers to go to step 2 for offers. If you just want to update the weight on your current offer and keep the flight details, then click on Update. In step 3, you have an overview of your booking. In step 4, you have an overview of the changes you just did. Click on Confirm to confirm your changes. And in the final step, your booking is confirmed. And this is how you modify a booking.